I've got Philips X818 and let me show you how to change a wallpaper on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select display, here it is, and now go to the wallpaper. And it's time to select the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. It can be gallery, live wallpapers, photos or wallpapers. Let me pick for example wallpapers and let's come along with all of them. And then choose the one that you would like to have. So let me pick, for example, this one. And then click on Set Wallpaper. And as you can see, that is all. You've just changed the wallpaper on your device, you've just refreshed the display. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.